Hey guys, this is James with Stock Chart Art. I just wanted to do a quick video to go over the state of the crypto market right now. To me, it is looking the best that it has over the last 8 months, rather than the consolidation that's happening right now, looking like a bearish pattern for the next leg down. Um, there definitely looks signs of a possible bottom. Ethereum, you can see we have this nice base forming over here. I definitely carved that low from this point right over here. You can see that price kind of pulled back and tested this level. And we got some nice heavy buying coming in and pushing price back above the 8 EMA and 21 EMA. We got a nice large volume shelf forming around price. If you kind of look at price since it started to go into a bear market, price has gone down 81% from the peak to trough over 7 months and 1 week. It's kind of one of the nicest patterns that we've seen so far in this during this decline. So it's just something to keep an eye on. Crypto still has a lot to prove. Overall, the entire crypto market topped out in November of last year at around a 3 billion market cap, and now it is down to around a little bit less than 1 billion. So a lot of these names have corrected 80%, 90%. Solana also. Solana has this nice bullish pennant forming. Starting to see volatility contract in this area. You have a nice large volume shelf forming around price. We finally got a close back above the 50-day moving average. We haven't seen price close back above the 50-day moving average since all the way back in April. Sheepcoin, which isn't necessarily something I trade, but I just keep an eye on it. Names that I do believe in and that I do want to get back to is definitely Bitcoin and Ethereum, possibly Solana. But we do have a nice inverse head and shoulder pattern forming. We got a really nice large volume shelf forming around price within this inverse head and shoulder pattern. I really like the volume signatures over here also on the right side of the space. You can see it kind of started with this nice big volume bar, but even down here, when price carved out low, look at the volume on the up days compared to that of the down days. The volume on the up days is usually a lot greater than those of the down days, which is showing that the stock is back under accumulation, which is what you want to see. So it's definitely constructive price action overall. Bitcoin also, we got a nice bullish pennant. We have a nice volume shelf forming around price. The volume signatures definitely isn't as nice as it was in Solana, but it's a step in the right direction. I'm not saying that this is a definite bottom, but this is definitely an area that we should be watching to see where price goes from here. Price could easily break back out of this. This could just be a bearish pattern, and price could break back through and go down another leg. I'm not saying that can't happen. This is just kind of the most constructive price action that I've seen in a while. So it's something to keep an eye on. If crypto is something you like to trade and that you believe in for the long term, which I do. So I'm definitely going to be looking to get back into some names, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for checking out this video, guys, and have a good night.